Welcome everybody to the daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. End of London session before NY session. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Like and subscribe if you like this video and comment below your thoughts or any suggestions that you have for me. Let's quickly finish. This trade was a test trade yesterday on the daily roundup video, and then as you can see that we came up to 30 pips to take profit, and now we're rejecting it. So this would have been a nice trade if would have been executed, but obviously it was just a test trade. So let's go ahead from a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame now is starting to flip bullish on GJ after the support was formed and a nice wick was created. So I expect this continuation for the next 2 weeks. If obviously we break this resistance on a weekly time frame, which weekly is playing out nicely from our weekly roundup, weekly forecast video. Daily, however, closed bullish yesterday and closed bullish, nice wick, closed above this support, slightly above this support on a weekly time frame, meaning, and they created a very nice wick. If we flip, I think we can continue up till this area on a daily time frame, which means on the 4-hour time frame. This was the wick formation. We tap into this range zone, we clean that nicely. Now we're bouncing back up with a London volume, and if we close above here, I believe, or above here, we will have a nice wick to the upside, but this obviously will be affected by the news today. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that we have this rejection at this area, at this resistance which we're now rejecting. So maybe GJ will just range, and in the news it either will break down or break out based on the news that will come up that affect Japanese yen, I believe. And yeah, that's about it. I'm waiting for closure above here to retest this high, or rejection above here to come up, retest this low that made. This is the GJ for today. It's a bit messy, but yeah, this is the prediction. Monthly time frame is rejecting quite hard, still very hard on gold. Today gold will be affected a lot by news. Weekly is continuing its bearish momentum, broke the highs, now we're just bouncing back up, so obviously it's waiting for the news today. Gold yesterday closed bearish. I believe once we flip bearish on the close bearish below these areas, and I believe once we flip bearish we can continue test this level to a downside. That means that on the 4-hour time frame we're waiting for some sort of rejection in this zone, and I believe actually after we break this zone we can easily retest this area right over here, so this can be a nice trade, and then a continuation till this next big support. Let's go on the 1-hour quickly. 1-hour time frame, we're now inside this range. We found some sort of support, so we need to break this support on 1 hour to continue to the downside. For the upside, for the buys, I'm looking only for buys above here because it's like full of rejection this area, and I don't want to enter in this zone because it can easily get very messy. And yeah, buys above here, sells below here till here. That's my prediction for gold on today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel.